How to buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binance, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Now, buying cryptocurrency on Binance is quite simple and quite easy. First, what you want to do is you can do so on your Binance on the web browser or the application. You want to make sure that you have created or signed up to an account and that you have completed the KYC verification. In my case, I have not completed, and you can see it's prompting me to it, but I won't be doing it now. For here, I'll just be showing you on how you can buy cryptocurrency. Once you have opened up the application, once you're logged in, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You can either search at the top of the search bar for particular crypto that you wish to buy, or here you can either choose from the available here on the recommended. Suppose you wanna buy the Bitcoin, right? If you want to buy the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, you want to simply tap on it and you'll get an interface somewhat like this. At the bottom of the screen, you can see buy and sell option. You want to simply tap on buy option there, and it'll ask you for the limit and such, and you can see amount here. Type in your amount. Suppose you want to buy 25 Bitcoins, then the price, you can see the total there. And down below you can see buy PTC. If you tap on it there, it'll ask you to add in your funds. Since I don't have any funds added here, you can add in using bank transfer, digital wallet transfer, mobile payment, and more, or you can buy with USD or transfer your assets between wallets. So you want to select the particular option that you wish to, and then you can go ahead and you can make the purchase. So this way you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.